Hello, everyone. Thank you for letting me join you today for your World Read Aloud. It's so nice to be with you today. My name's Linda Clay, and I work at the Lawrence Public Library. Today, I have selected Fox at Night by Cory R. Tabor. This book has won an award for one of the best children's early readers, Fox at Night by Cory Tabor. It was night and Fox is scared. Fox is camping. He's out at night in his tent. He has his binoculars. "The night is full of monsters," said Fox. Fox looks for monsters. He's got his binoculars and he's looking for monsters. Fox sees 4 stars. Fox sees 3 planets. Fox sees 2 big wings. Fox sees 2 big pointy ears. Fox sees 2 big yellow eyes. "Monster!" cries Fox. "I'm not a monster. I am a bat," says Bat. "Sorry," says Fox, "but the night is full of monsters." "Oh, I don't think so," says Bat. "Come, I will show you." Fox and Bat go out into the night. Fox hears a tap, tap, tap. Fox hears a boom, boom, bang. "Monster!" cries Fox. "I'm not a monster. I am a raccoon," says Raccoon. "Sorry," says Fox, "but the night is full of monsters." "Oh, I don't think so," says Raccoon. "Come and we will show you." Fox smells a stink. Fox smells a big, awful stink. "Monster!" cries Fox. "I'm not a monster. I am a skunk," says Skunk. "Sorry," said Fox, "but the night is full of monsters." "Oh, I don't think so," says Skunk. "Come and we will show you." Fox sees 2 pointy horns. Fox sees 3 yellow eyes. Fox sees lots of pointy teeth. What could it be? "Monsters!" cries the tiny little monster. He thinks they're monsters, but they're not monsters. They're nocturnal. That means they're up at night. And that little monster is tiny. It says, "You're monsters, monsters," cries the tiny little monster. "I told you," said Fox, "the night is full of monsters." And there goes the little monster. What a fun book. That's called Fox at Night by Cory R. Tabor. Thank you for letting me join you today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.